Drowning in payroll paperwork? Let's ditch the stress and unlock the simple power of Gusto payroll software. First, head to Gusto's website and sign up for an account. Choose the plan that best fits your business needs. Once you're in, the dashboard gives you an overview of your payroll tasks and upcoming deadlines. Now, let's add your employees. Click on the People tab and then add employee. Enter their personal information, including name, address, and contact details. Next, specify their compensation details, salary or hourly rate, and any benefits they receive, like health insurance or paid time off. Gusto helps you manage all of this in one place. Ready to run payroll? Click the Run Payroll button. Gusto will guide you through the process. Input the hours worked for each employee. If you use a time tracking system, Gusto can likely integrate with it to automate this step. Review all the payroll details carefully, including wages, taxes, and deductions. Make any necessary adjustments and then approve the payroll. Here's the best part: Gusto automatically calculates, files, and pays your federal, state, and local payroll taxes. Say goodbye to tax headaches. Employees can easily access their pay stubs and W-2 forms online through their own Gusto accounts. Gusto also offers a range of reports to help you track your payroll expenses, analyze labor costs, and stay compliant. And that's it. Gusto streamlines your payroll process, saving you time and ensuring accuracy, so you can focus on growing your business.